Hi, welcome to another episode of Barry's Backyard Barbecue. Today we're just going to do something simple, but it's going to end up being really good. We got just bone-in chicken thighs, nothing special, nothing like that. Just got the skin on it. We're going to put the butter, olive oil, and then we're going to use McCormick's Perfect Pinch rotisserie chicken to make the rotisserie taste to it. But again, it's going to be fried in a frying pan on the grill. So I will start up the grill. Get everything rolling here. And I always use butter because butter always adds a nice little crispy thing to your chicken skin and things like that, because we're not breading it or anything like that. And then we'll just put in some olive oil. Keep it moist. And then we will let it heat up for a little bit. And my favorite part is the fact that there's actually skin on this, so you don't have to worry about it sticking or anything like that. It'll get some extra fat inside there to cook it really well. And you will be very impressed with the rotisserie taste that you get from the seasoning we put on this. Alright, we're back here and the butter has gotten all melted up and the pan's heated up, so now we're going to add some chicken. And before I get my hands all nasty, I'm going to undo the thing. Sprinkle it all on top because it's going to fly everywhere. But what you want to also make sure that you do when you're coating this is coat the top of the chicken, and then you can put that down so that the skin's down first, and then it can cook the longest, and it'll have something in there so that it doesn't actually stick to anything. So start putting these in there. These are some nice big ones. I mean, I've never seen a chicken running around with thighs that big, but they're like usually this small like this, but they look like turkey thighs. Alright, I'll set this down, then I'm going to wash off my hands, and I will be right back here. Alright, now we're going to coat the rest of the chicken with the rotisserie spice. And like ideally, you want to put all your spices on, let them set sometimes. But today we're just going to throw it on, let them cook, and everything should turn out really good. And I just wanted to try it with just putting it directly on instead of letting the spice set all for a couple hours in the refrigerator before I put it on. Alright, we're back. Gonna do some checking on some chicken. Looks pretty good. Flip it around. Put a little more rotisserie on it if we can get it. The wind's starting to pick up, so it's starting to blow everywhere. Alright, we'll be back in a few to check it again. Alright, we're back. It's been about 6-7 minutes. We're going to check these, temp them, see how everything's coming out. They look good. Yeah, they temp at about 180. So everything's looking pretty good. We're going to flip them again and get that skin nice and brown. Listen to it sizzle. let it brown for maybe about 3 or 4 minutes, and we'll come back, take them off the grill, give them a little taste test, and see how they come out. All right, we're back, and it's all I can do to just dive into it. It smells good. Oh, look at that nice browning on that. I think we are done. Let's turn them off. Over on the flame. Break off a little piece here. Wow, is that hot? By the way. Oh, that's really good, must say. So, I hope you enjoyed another episode of Mary's Backyard Barbecue. And we will be back very soon with another crazy recipe. And I hope you like and subscribe our channel, and I'll see you on the next episode.